So we're parked at the dog park to get to this fishing spot that I want to get to. I've tried it out a couple times before, and it was all right. I had to do some wading in the creek to get to where I wanted to be, but it's a good creek fishing spot. I'm thinking I'm gonna go out there with a spinner, maybe try a rooster tail, something like that. We're gonna see how it goes. It's gonna be a little weird getting out of my car with all my fishing gear in front of all these dog people. All right, let's get it.
Are you kidding me? Man, I had like 2 catches just now. Apparently, my camera wasn't recording. Golly, that is annoying. That is really annoying. Thank you. Okay, and we move on. Egress to fishing. That's a bass. It's a little tiny bass. There we go. It's a nice creek bass, and we're recording, baby. Let's go. Okay, come here. Ooh, right next to the eye, but not quite, not quite. Very glad about that. I don't want to put out a fish's eyesight. Come here. Hold still. Oh, no, that was not next to the eye. We're good. That's a nice little pretty fish. All right, bud. Time to go back. There he goes. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that is a fish? Freaking, that is a fish, and he got hung up. Oh, that's a big one. Holy smokes. For a creek bass, that is massive. Holy smokes. That's like a 2-pounder. Holy moly. Dude, look at that. That's a big boy for a creek bass. What in the world? Oh, that hook went in him twice. Oh, this poor guy. Dadgummit, that is just the worst way that hook could have possibly gone in. Okay, maybe not the worst. Got it. All right, let's have a look at you. Woo! That is a nice looking creek bass. Holy smokes. Wow. That is larger than my forearm. Dude. Dude. Okay. Gonna get you back in the water. Get some air running across your gills. There you go. All right, now he's ready to go. What a privilege. What a privilege that was. Thank you, Lord Jesus. So I watched back one of the videos I just took, and the exposure is just terrible on it. So I hope this fixes it. Bet you there's a bass right along in this deep trench that we got going on over here. Oh, hello, that's one. That's not a bass. That's a little sunfish. Little, I think green sunfish? Yeah, green sunfish. Okay. All right, come here. Hold still. Yeah, you can tell he's a green sunfish because he's got this bright, or green, yeah, because he's got this bright orange pectoral fin right here. Oh, that's pectoral, isn't it? I have no idea. I don't know my fish. I just know it's a green sunfish. Oh, wait. No. Or is it yellow? I don't know. It's a fun little fish. A lot of energy in these guys. Okay. Let's move over here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hello, hello. That's a fish. That's another little green sunfish. Woo! Come here. Gosh, I gotta be careful with these guys because they'll swallow the whole thing real fast. And it's way too big for them. Get your spiny fins down, man. Holy smokes. There we go. Another little guy. Ooh, he's got a little bluegill in there. You can see the vertical stripes. Okay, no more throwing these fish in the water. Hold still. All right, way down the way. Let's see what we got. Oh, that was something. Is that a fish? That is not a fish. Is that? What the frick is that? Oh, that is a fish. What in the world? What in the world? What are you doing? Bud, what are you doing? He wasn't even fighting. He was just letting himself get dragged along. Open your mouth. Is that a spot? No, that's not a spotted bass. You can see right along the edge there, there's little spots above him. I was like, is that a spotted bass? Alright, well. Texas rig, baby. Long live the Texas rig. There you go. Get away.